Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to freeze frame your video in DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, you're going to choose where you want to start that freeze frame. I'm just going to choose this way. And now I'm going to click Command B or Control B on Windows. Now I'm going to play the clip and freeze it again somewhere here. Again, Command B, and it's just split at this clip. Now you need to go to the third option of these buttons right there, and now you will choose the start of this video. I'm just gonna change the speed of this video by clicking the right button of my mouse. You're gonna click change clip speed, and here you can see freeze frame. So this is the option, and now as you can see, when you change it, let's now play the video. Now, as you can see, it is freezed, and again, it plays again. You can change the duration of it like so if you want to.